Here's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This Wrangler is the right balance of style and purpose, and with 4 doors, it's easy for everyone to join in on the fun. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, front heated bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, external memory control, Targa sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. Road and Track puts forth it's a far better everyday vehicle, safer and more civilized, roomier and more comfortable, without sacrificing one bit of its legendary off-road ability. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Find it at Firkins. Come see us today. We're located between the Red Barn Flea Market and the DeSoto Mall on 1st Street.